one of the reasons that people don't plan as soon as they should. We're all adverse to giving up control. We don't want to give up control of our lives. We don't want to give up control of the assets we've worked so hard to build, the businesses we built, the legacies we've created. And we don't, it's too soon. It's too soon to give up control. And that also, I think, frankly, death is the ultimate loss of control. You don't have say necessarily over when you're going to die. And that avoiding that conversation is really challenging for people, or avoiding it. Avoiding it is not challenging. Actually talking about it is the challenging part. But I think that for us, and utilizing the life insurance gives the client some control, but then also financing it and having that cash flow allows them to regain control over a situation that feels very out of control. So when you do smart planning and smart transfer of assets, you can do it in a way where you can retain control over your assets, and then you add a finance policy to it and regain control over how you're going to ultimately pay the tax.